Welcome back, guys, to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. And this morning we're gonna make cornmeal porridge with coconut milk. So here I have my cornmeal over here, my coconut milk, my condensed milk. I have nutmeg in this, my vanilla, and my brown sugar over here. So guys, I'm gonna mix up my cornmeal. Maybe half cup of cornmeal. I'm not making too much. It's just me and my sister this morning. And maybe a cup. Yeah, a cup of cornmeal is okay. So 1 cup of cornmeal. I'm gonna cut my milk. And guys, I would like to know all who used to drink cornmeal porridge in the morning before they go to school. To get up in the morning and make cornmeal porridge or banana porridge before school, and sometimes it's so hot we can't even drink it before we go to school. We hear the bell ring. That time it was I always walk with my porridge down by the river, and whatever I drink and finish there, that is what I'm throwing in the river and make it go. I will always drink until I reach there. After reaching there, whatever I drink, I just throw it in the water and then I run. So guys, I want everybody to give me a like, share and comment please. And guys, put a yes in the comment section if you still drink cornmeal porridge up to this day, or if you give your kids cornmeal porridge with coconut milk. So guys, you make it, I always want to make it soak through before I add it to my pot of boiling water. My water is over here boiling right now with a cinnamon stick inside. So I'm gonna add my cornmeal soon. I'm gonna add my cornmeal now. And guys, you have to keep stirring it. If you can get a whisk, it's always good. I'm making this for one of my nephews. He told me he wants to know how to make cornmeal porridge, so I'm just make sure I make it this morning so he can watch me doing it. He told me last week he need to know how to make cornmeal porridge. Coconut milk is so nice. So guys, you're gonna turn the stove on medium, not too high for it to stick. Okay guys, but I'm gonna add some coconut milk powder. I'm gonna mix it out in my cup and add my salt. And I'm gonna let it cook for at least 20 minutes before I sweeten it. So I'm just adding about 3 tablespoons of my coconut milk. And guys, this is the salt I use. It's very good. I'm gonna add just a little bit, not much, because I don't use much salt. Mix out the coconut milk before I put it in there, because I don't want no lumps. Okay, I think it's simmered now, so I'm going to add it to my pot. I'm going to add a little bit more water. You don't have to put the coconut milk, but because I want mine to be very rich, I want to taste my coconut milk in my porridge, so that's why I add more. You see guys, it's smooth and nice. So I'm going to add my coconut milk now to my my pot. And guys, you gotta keep stirring it for it not to stick. See, mine didn't stick yet because I turned on the stove low and I'm stirring it. So guys, remember to like, share and comment, please. Let's move forward as a family. Okay guys, I'm checking my porridge. I keep stirring it because I don't want it to stick in the bottom. And guys, you see the consistency? So just keep stirring it. Take at least 20 minutes, 25 minutes to cook. So I'm gonna come right back and show you what's going on. Step by step I'm showing you. Okay guys, so I'm checking again. Okay, it's not sticking yet. Looking good still. And smelling good. You could smell the coconut. So I love that. And it's not too thick. Very good. No lumps inside. Because I mix out the coconut milk before I put it in here, and I wet the cornmeal before I put. So you see, it's very nice. So guys, remember to leave me a comment and tell me if you still make cornmeal porridge as when you were growing up. I still do. Only yesterday I make a pot of cornmeal porridge for my breakfast and my lunch at work. Everybody asking me, what is that? I say, cornmeal porridge. This is what we grew up with. This is what you saying both used to drink. I telling them at work, they were laughing. So they say, oh, it's everybody who drink cornmeal porridge, they can run. I said, don't worry. Okay guys, we're gonna make another check. Ooh, it's bubbling up, man. So I'm sticking. Give it too much long time, boy. It's okay. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna turn off my stove now. I'm gonna turn off my stove and I'm gonna sweeten my porridge. Turn off my stove now. And I'm gonna sweeten my porridge, so I'll get right back to you with the finished product. Okay guys, I'm gonna sweeten my porridge right now. I have everything here. I'm gonna add 2 spoonfuls of sugar. I'm not making it too sweet because I have two subscribers who's gonna pick up a cup. 2 spoonfuls is good. And first of all, I don't drink sugar anyway. Just a little blackish. I'm gonna add some vanilla. And I'm gonna add some condensed milk. I'm gonna add a little, I don't know. You're gonna add it to how you want, how sweet you want it, okay guys? And I'm gonna add some nutmeg. You can add nutmeg, whatever you want, your choice. But I'm adding the nutmeg. Guys, the porridge is smelling so good. You can smell the coconut milk inside. It's smelling so good. And guys, when you keep stirring up your porridge, it doesn't stick in the butter. It doesn't stick at all. Okay, so I'm finishing sweeten my porridge, I'm gonna share 2 bowls, one for my sister and one for me. So guys, see you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm gonna share for my sister first. Guys, the porridge smells so nice, so nice. This is here. I'm going to push it. I bring this for my other sister, because if we ever drink all this and don't leave them for her, oh my gosh, you will hear about it. Okay, so we're gonna put both of them over here on top. Put them close to it so they can see. Okay guys, so this is our finished product of our cornmeal porridge with coconut milk. One is for me and this is for my sister. We're gonna have our breakfast just now with a little piece of bread. I think I have a piece of hard dough bread here. So we're gonna have a slice of bread, a slice of hard dough bread with our porridge this morning. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And thank you guys for watching, and see us all in your next video. Okay guys, God bless you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.